Okay guys, I got a 5th gen 4Runner with a Prinsu rack and a Frontrunner rooftop tent, and I'm going to show you kind of a trick how I got it up there and bolted in. So it's definitely a tight fit, but I got to make some adjustments to the bolts because they're kind of long in the front, so I'm going to do some trimming on that. But I'm going to show you just a quick recap of how I get this off. It's pretty easy, so stand by. Alright, so what I do, and I apologize for the wind, but it's really windy today, but just take your hex screw. Basically what I do is I just take all these out on all 4 sides that it's connected to. So I got 2 here for the front bar, and I'm going to take these up here that are holding the rear end, and I'm basically going to take all the screws out, and I'll show you what I do on the next step here. Okay, I got all the bolts out, as you can see, on each side. Now the tent is just really ready to come off. But you will need a friend. But yeah, it's just basically resting on the rails, which is nice. Alright, so we're going to take that off now. Okay, we got her back on there as you saw, and bolts are much better up there, but didn't do anything on the back. I'm gonna walk it a little bit. All right. Okay. Walk it again. Yep. Walk it again. Yep. Past that last rail. Just make sure you catch it. Alright, now you gotta lift up onto the rail, off the ground. Take it? Yeah. Ready?
Are you recording? Am I in the shot?
Alright. Alright, I got the back. Alright, lean it back, push forward. Alright, all done. Bolts are short. Bolts are back in as well. Upgrade to the Makita. Make life a little easier. But it's impact, so be careful with the bolts. And that's a wrap.